Wuon osiptal mar Mediheal Laktar Swarup Mishra okwedo lipot mar nonro ne ohala mar nyarogno manitimo ne osiptalno. Swarup okwedo wechego kowacho ni ji duto manotimnegi bero osiptalno notimnegi e ler mar chik kendo jogo manetimo nonro noneno ni mago eko notimore adier. Swarup Mishra ma bende ne en jaod bura machon owacho noikore mar kawo ting' duto mar ketho nono ni osiptalno ibiro yude gi ketho moro amora.
Foreign donors, that is two types, African and non-African. Non-African are from Asia and Europe. They came with their donors, that no money and transaction or commercialization is involved, and with his affidavit and legal consent has been done. Number two, the donors from other African countries apart from Kenya, they brought their own donors. If Mishra and Mediheal is really culprit, we carry the cross.
We are very aggrieved at the way the committee seems to have approached this thing with a premeditated mind, with a mind to make adverse comments about Mediheal, and we are aggrieved at the way they singled out Mediheal as compared to all other institutions.